Hey Product Hunt, just 2 modules left before the StartOS launch. This is StartOS's launch number 7 out of 9, LaunchOS. Thanks again for all the amazing support, including this amazing launch for SalesOS the weekend before last. To celebrate, we're including everything that we've learned over the month and a half in form of a comprehensive product hunt guide in LaunchOS, but only for 48 hours. LaunchOS is designed to give a high-level view for the execution of your team's vision. LaunchOS is divided into 2 parts. We call them the Launchpad and the Flying Controls. The Launchpad contains checklists or standard operating procedures for the most popular execution patterns that you will have to use. This includes social media or press releases, website launch, and even launches on Product Hunt. The Flying Controls are your high-level maneuvering toolkit. You can see your trailing growth metrics in the central dashboard. This is the growth metrics database. You can find a similar database also in SalesOS. Now, let's take a quick look at the forward-looking databases. Inside Team OKRs, you will find 2 databases, the Objectives and Key Results databases. Objectives are your team's high-level goals, and key results are time-bound and specific quantifiable metrics that allow you to understand whether these objectives have been met. Let's take an example of this specific objective: improve hardware performance. The key results associated with this are reducing power consumption and reducing sensor delay. These show up in your key results database. Let's switch over to the Engineering tab to see these and all the other engineering objectives. Here you can see all the engineering key results and the 2 specific engineering objectives that these 4 key results have been assigned to. Since key results are quantifiable and time-bound, you can see the initial value, current value, and target value here, and also the automatically calculated progress. The quarter to which these key results are assigned is seen here. You can assign the lead for that specific key result and also the team that the lead belongs to. As you update the current value and it gets closer to what your target value was, you will see this progress bar automatically update. A rollup then also automatically updates this in the Objectives database. If you go back out to the central dashboard, you will see this updated here. Now let's take a look at how to use this as a product roadmap. We'll take an example of this engineering roadmap. In the product roadmap, if you go and look at Q2 2023, you can see the improved hardware performance objective. The key result for this quarter was to reduce the sensor delay to less than 1 millisecond. The same objective also carries over for Q3, but with a different key result. This one is to reduce power consumption to less than 100 milliamp hours. Assuming these key results have been achieved, in Q4 2023 and Q1 2024, the objective is to reduce the hardware cost and scale so that you can manufacture and ship your product. The corresponding key results are displayed here and here. This is one way of using the OKR framework to create a very clear product roadmap for your engineering team. You can also use this for all of your other teams. So, never lose sight of your high-level goals. Plan and track your progress with LaunchOS.